Today we are making patriotic ice cream sandwiches, and our supplies that are needed today for the ice cream sandwiches are, of course, ice cream sandwiches. You can use, these are minis, but you can use full size if you like. Paper plates. We have patriotic colored sprinkles, red, white, and blue. And then for any mess that you may make, we have napkins or paper towels sent to the side. And of course, guys, remember before you get started with anything, always remember to wash your hands. And then here I also have on gloves. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm going to separate these plates. I'm gonna put one over here and then I'll have one here. I'm going to then open the ice cream sandwiches. And once they're open, I'm gonna just set them to the side for 1 second. And then on this plate, if I can get this one out, let's see. This one doesn't want to cooperate. Okay. So I'm going to set our trash to the side. So then on this plate, I'm going to add the sprinkles. And we're not going to put too many, but you need just enough so that you'll be able to cover the ice cream sandwiches. And these sprinkles here, again, are just the patriotic sprinkles. And that should be enough. So we're going to take one ice cream sandwich at a time. And we're going to go around our plate with our sprinkles along the edges of the ice cream sandwich to make sure that the ice cream is fully covered with the sprinkles. And then that will be one. And then we're going to take our other. And again, you can use however many ice cream sandwiches that you need. But we're going to do each one the exact same way. We're going to go around along the edges with the plate of sprinkles and make sure all your edges are evenly covered. And there you have it. You have your patriotic ice cream sandwich.
Making something patriotic, graham crackers, strawberries, blueberries, and icing. So we're making patriotic graham crackers. And the supplies you will need are, of course, graham crackers, strawberries, blueberries, icing, a knife to cut the fruit, a plate, or a cutting board. And it's very important before you start doing this that you want to wash your hands and make sure that the fruit is washed as well. You want to take about 20 seconds to wash your hands and both